Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this cloud. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot, we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay, now we will join our first and last stitch with the slip stitch. See, here I join my first and last stitch. See here, I'll make a slip stitch. Here I made a slip stitch. Okay, now because of this, as we join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch, we get a very small tiny bit circle in between. It is small, but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. Okay, now each time we will pass our needle from inside that circle. See, I'll yarn over, pass my needle inside the circle, grab the yarn, pull through, and then make my double crochet stitch. Similar way, I have to make 15 double crochet stitches. Oh, I'm so sorry. 14, not 15, 14 double crochet stitches. Okay. Each time, yarn over, insert needle inside the circle, grab the yarn, pull through, and then complete double crochet stitch. If any of you want to refer a tutorial video for how to make a double crochet stitch, link is already given in description. You can refer the tutorial video. It is also with written instructions, slow demonstration, quite easy to understand. Okay, I'll just complete this 15 double crochet stitches and I'll show you. See, I'm done with my 14 double crochet stitches. It is 14 double crochet stitches, not 15. I don't know why I'm saying 15. It is 14 double crochet stitches. Now see, I'll join my first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. So this completes my first round. Okay. Now for second round, we will just make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. Okay, for complete second round, in each single stitch we are going to make 2 double crochet stitches. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show you. See, I am done with the second round also. 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. Now I will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch and complete the round. Okay, now we have to count the total number of stitches in second round. Okay, in mine they are coming 28. Okay, you also count yours, and that total number we have to divide it into 4 equal groups. Okay, so and just put markers. Now pattern for each group is going to be, in first stitch we will make a half double crochet stitch, first and last stitch. Okay, minus 7 in each group. There are coming 7 stitches. So in first and 7th stitch I will make 1 half double crochet stitch in each, and in middle stitches I will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. Okay, and pattern is going to be same for all 4 groups. I will just repeat the pattern again. See, you have to count total number of stitches in your second round, divide them into 4 equal groups. Okay, and please put marker in every group. Okay, and for every group, like mine, there are total 28 stitches, so it is a group of 7 stitches. Okay, so out of 7, in first and last stitch I will make 1 half double crochet stitch in first stitch and 1 half double crochet stitch in last stitch, and in middle 5 stitches I will make 2 double crochet stitches in each single stitch. Okay, and same pattern I am going to do for rest of the groups. See, this is how it will look. It will look like a flower. Okay, now we have to fold it in half. See, this way. Okay, see, here it is taking a shape of a cloud. So if you want to close it like this only, you can close it, or if else you want to place your eyes and your smile, please do it on one side, or if you want to do it on both sides, completely up to you. Okay, see, I've placed my eyes and smile. Now we will close this cloud. Okay, now we will join two stitches into one stitch. We will merge two stitches into one stitch. So for that, what we will do, we will insert a needle in two parallel stitches which are coming in, one in front of one another. So we will insert a needle in both stitches at one time, grab the yarn and pull through from both stitches at once, and then make a single crochet stitch. So this we are going to do for small curves. On both sides, on both ends, we have small curves. So we are going to do that. See, I'll insert my stitch in from one stitch over here, this side, and parallelly in front of it, which stitch is coming, I'll insert my needle in that also, and grab the yarn and pull through from both of them at once. See, and now I will make a single crochet stitch. Similarly, I will join all the stitches of my small curves with single crochet stitch. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Now once we have completed a small curve, now we will go to a middle curve, that is the bigger one. Okay, now this bigger curve we will join with a double crochet stitch. There in small curves we were using single crochet stitch. Now we will use double crochet stitch. Pattern is going to be same. We will insert a needle in two parallel stitches which are one above one in front of the other. Okay, insert a needle in both of them, grab the yarn, pull through from both of them, and make a double crochet stitch. So instead of single crochet stitch, we will make double crochet stitch to join stitches over here. And then again, when we go to the small curve, we will make single crochet stitch. I'll just complete this whole thing and I'll show you. And it's like, it depends on you. If you want to fill in with fillers, you can fill fillers as gap is over there. Or even if you don't fill it, it's like quite bulgy. So it depends on you. So this is how a cloud look like. So please subscribe, like, comment and share.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.